Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in so your library and alerts save automatically. Once signed in, type a precise phrase and quotes to lock terms and add a plus sign for required words. Make sure to open the left panel and set a date range and language filter now. This narrows noise and surfaces recent, relevant work. As you scan results, hover the title for quick context and click Cited By to see impact. This gets you from broad to focused fast. Next, refine using advanced search fields like author, journal, or title to find specific contributions. This avoids sifting irrelevant hits. Once you locate key papers, add them to a labeled library and create folders or tags so each project stays tidy. If you need citations, click Cite and choose BibTX or EndNote Export. This ensures compatibility with your reference manager. Make sure to check related articles and click Versions to access PDFs or earlier drafts for full-text access. Finally, set up alerts for your saved searches and key authors so new work arrives automatically. Once done, verify institutional access if a paper is behind a paywall. Use the Versions link or your library link resolver to find PDFs. If you encounter too few results, relax strict filters, broaden keywords, or remove quotes to expand recall, and then reapply dates incrementally. One tip if things go wrong: clear custom filters and run the broad query to identify whether filtering or search terms cause the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.